number 12, Nate Serapis here. There's a number 13, Mendoza using his body spin move. Jump on, Barangay Tabibol. There's a number 4, 12 for 3 is it? There's a pushing now, there's a number 27. There's a number 2 pass to Ronnie Prisbay, it's a pass! Miscommunication. Basa seen in the play against Rafael. 15 on the shot clock, slice the middle, turn up shot. It's good for 2. There's a number 25, Carlos. Against Bahardo. Working on the shot clock. Long 3 is headed by Tuas. Hernandez Bernabe pass to Bahardo. Jersey number 12. Attacking the defense. First shot using the glasses here. Score 8-2. Interceptors number 0. Out of bounds, save ball. 8 seconds to play. Corner 3 quarter twice. In and out. Fernandez Bernabe for the putback is good.
10-2 ang score natin. 8 points ang inaabol ng Pretil.
There's a number 12, Pajaro on the run, and now the defense lays it up. He's not going to find for the rebound. He's not going for the putback.
12-2. 10-point lead.
Figueroa lays it up. It's good for 2. There's a number 2 on the block. Passes it up to Bautista for 3. And ball. And this is number 27 again.
Nice one, Rap! Dapat lang ipatay sila. Nice, Pretil. Para magaling ito.
On the shot clock. There's a number 4. Slice the middle. Corner pass. To Bautista for 3. That's good for 2. Here's number 25, Carlos, corner pass to Figueroa, perimeter jumper is good. Secure the rebound para kay Pajaro, pass to Narvaza, 6 minutes and 44 seconds to play. Score 17-6, 11-point lead. Sa Barangay Tabi, here's number 27, Bernabe, back to Narvaza, goal the shot clock. Almost intercept, Bautista for 3 again. In and out. Hernandez, here's number 27. Pass jersey number 0, it was easy pass to Bernabe, Mason fires good. Pass to Mendoza, jersey number 13, lays it up, it's not good, but there's a whistle.
Score natin 6-19. 13-point lead by Tabi. Mendoza is the star player of Team Pretil. He's in the free throw shot. 19-7.
Score 19-7.
12-point lead by Tabi.
5 seconds to play para sa ating opening quarter. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. Against Rafael, almost to the ball. It's a robbery violation. There's number 9,
Score 21-7, a 14-point lead by Tabe.
Pass it goes, and there's a number 13. There's a foul. There's a number 6. Up 3 is not good. They want to cruise. Pass to Figueroa. 12 on the shot out to Principe. Back to Figueroa. There's a number 23. Teardrop shot is good. There's a number 12. Stop and pop for 3. It's good for 3. This is Fajardo. Bounce pass to Mendoza. There's a number 13 on the right slice the middle. Lace up is good.
24-11 ang score natin in favor of Tabe.
There's a number 11 against the Miami. Pass to Duas. People pass to Fajardo. 10 on the shot for 3 again. Not this time para Mr. Fajardo. Out of bounds. 24-11. A 30-point lead para sa Barangay Tabe. There's a number 4. Principe. Scoop Lea. That's not good. There's a number 0 on the West Junior. Back to Aguinaldo to Fajardo. Speed move. Teardrop shot. It's not good. 4 minutes and 5 seconds played. There's a pushing foul. There's a number 0 on the West Junior. There's a number 12, Principe. It's Bautista. Almost losing the ball. Intercept number 12. Pass to running and Aguinaldo lays it up. Pistol. Arriba Marina. And so this is number 9, Bautista. There's a number 11, Aguinaldo, pass to Bautista, there's a number 9 for 3, and it's good for 3 again, but there's a number 9, it's Bautista. Score 29-11, 80-point lead, there's a number 23, Figueroa, on the line, post to post, lays up, is still there. There's a number 5, Cruz. There's a hatchet foul, there's a number 0. That is second foul, penalty. There's number 24. There's a number 28. There's a number 28. He got pass to Fajardo. Wide open for 3. That's not good. High for the rebound. There's a number 5. It's at the right lane violation. It was pass. There's a number 28. Drew Okuku against Rafael. He got pass to Fajardo. Wide open for 3. In and out. There's a number 99 of There's a number 11, Aguinaldo. There's a number 28,